A very good morning, children. Children, this is your English period. So I would request everyone to kindly take out your English reader books and open page number 39. In the previous two sessions, I have already started the poem, that is Palanquin Bearers. I have explained you both the paragraphs, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. I hope I made myself clear to you with the meaning of the poem. So today in this session what we are going to do is we are just going to take the lines from the book, okay? I am going to explain you each and every word, right, from the book, and again I am going to read the poem from the book, right? So as I read each and every line, I would request you children to take your pencil in your hand and mark all the meanings, difficult words meanings in the page. Alright, so let's get started. Palanquin bearers. Children, I already told you the meaning of palanquin in the earlier videos, right? Palanquin is, what is a palanquin? Palanquin is a box-like structure. You can see the picture, right? When a bride is leaving her parents' home and going to a new home, that is her husband's house or in-laws' house, then she was taken in the earlier days, right? In the earlier days, she was taken through a palanquin. So this is a palanquin. It is a box-like structure, right? And who are bearers? Bearers क्या हैं? Bearers are the persons who hold the palanquin. So these people are the bearers. Bearers means holding. Bear karna means hold karna, carry karna. So these people are carrying the palanquin on their shoulders. This is a long rod. You can say long rod or long pole through which they are carrying the palanquin, right? So I hope you understood the meaning of the words palanquin and bearers, right? So before you read, you must have observed. Observed means to see carefully, okay? लिख लीजिए बेटा. Observed means to see carefully, right? CAREFULLY. If it is not clear, I have spelled the words for you. CAREFULLY. You must have observed the custom. So what is the meaning of custom? Beta, custom क्या होता है? Custom is a tradition, right? Custom is a tradition. Here you can make the arrow and you can write the meaning of the custom. Right? A tradition, or a way of doing things in a certain way according to the society, right? Things accepted by the society. बेटा कस्टम क्या होते हैं? कस्टम होता है ट्रेडिशन, जो हमारे सोसाइटी द्वारा बनाए गए होते हैं और हमें उन्हीं का प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व द कस्टम ऑफ कैरिंग द ब्राइड इन अ palanquin आफ्टर द वेडिंग through which she is taken to her new house. So I have already explained you that when a girl gets married and she has to leave her home, leave her parents' home and go to a new house. So how she goes? She goes by palanquin. All right, she sits in the palanquin and the bearers carry her to her new house. So this was the custom which was followed in the earlier times. यानी बहुत पहले ये custom, जब queens होती थी, princesses होती थी, तब ये custom follow किया जाता था, right? A palanquin is a covered box type carrier सो पैलिंक्विन क्या है, यहाँ पे भी बेटा मीनिंग दे दी है पैलिंक्विन की. पैलिंक्विन क्या है, इज अ कवर्ड होता है, देखिए अब कवर्ड है, कर्टन से कवर्ड है, ऊपर कवर है, नीचे कवर है, राइट. इज अ कवर्ड बॉक्स टाइप कैरियर. कैरियर क्या होता है बेटा, अ पर्सन होल्डिंग समथिंग. कैरियर मीन्स अ पर्सन होल्डिंग समथिंग. बेटा अगर कोई मीनिंग समझ ना आए तो आप पूछ लीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बेटा, ठीक है. Palanquin is a covered box type carrier usually meant for one passenger. Passenger is a person who is going, right? So इस palanquin में सिर्फ एक ही person बैठ सकता है because वहाँ पे space नहीं होती है बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक. That is why only one person can sit in the palanquin. It is carried by an even number of men. Even number why आपने बेटा मैथ्स में पढ़ा होगा even and odd. So even number means या तो at least minimum 2 people have to carry it, or you can say 4 people can carry, 6 people can carry, okay, because it is very heavy, so single person cannot carry the palanquin, right. So that is why it is written even number, either 2 or 4 or 6, right. So it is carried or held by an even number of men called bearers. So bearers are the people who carry the palanquin on their shoulders. So where they carry the palanquin? On their shoulders by means of a pole. This is pole, right. So is pole ke through they bearers carry the palanquin on their shoulders. So children, I hope this much green portion is clear to you. So now again I am going to just read out the sentences of the poem and you can just revise, all right. And the words which are colored with purple color, right, these are the purple words, their meanings are already written here. So you can see the meanings from here, right. And I have already written down the meanings of these words in the video also, you can see from there, okay. You can take the screenshot also, right. So lightly, oh lightly we bear her along, that is very gently, very softly the bearers are carrying the bride. Along means होता है बेटा साथ में, right. देखो साथ में जा रहे हैं ना, right. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. So while bearers are taking the bride in the palanquin, they are singing a song. Why? Because taking a bride to a new home and walking so much distance, it gets boring at times. So while उस बोरियत को दूर करने के लिए बेटा they sing a song, okay. So while singing a song, so bride is swaying like a flower. Swaying means क्या होता है बेटा, ये देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. Swaying means move slowly from side to side because the palanquin is हैंगिंग. देखिए यहाँ पे हैंग कर रहा है ना पैलंक्विन, तो वो थोड़ा सा हिलता है. जब आप कैरी करते हो कोई चीज तो वो ऐसे ऐसे हिलती है, लाइक अ फ्लावर. व्हेन द विंड ब्लोज, जस्ट लाइक अ फ्लावर स्वेज विद द ब्लोइंग ऑफ द विंड, उसी तरह ब्राइड इज ऑल्सो सिटिंग इन द पैलंक्विन स्वेइंग लाइक अ फ्लावर इन द विंड ऑफ आर सॉन्ग. आर मीन्स देयर सॉन्ग, यानी कि जो बेयरर सॉन्ग गा रहे हैं उनके लिए बोला गया है, राइट. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Every line I have explained you in the video. In case you forget any line, the meaning of any line, you can go back to the video and you can watch that video. Okay, it is given on my YouTube channel, right? Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Pearl means होता है बेटा मोती. स्ट्रिंग मतलब धागा. जैसे धागे में मोती पिरोया जाता है वैसे ही पोल में ये पैलंक्विन बनाया गया है, ठीक. गेली मीन्स हैप्पीली, चेयरफुली. ग्लाइड मीन्स मूविंग एफर्टलेसली एंड कंटिन्यूसली, राइट. सो मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट पेज. Softly, oh softly, bear her along. This line is repeated, right? She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. ड्यू बेटा होता है टाइनी ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर. ड्यू इज टाइनी ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर. जैसे आप रात में अगर आप जब आप सुबह उठते हैं, रात में सो जाते हैं, फिर सुबह उठते हैं, तो आप सुबह उठेंगे तो आप फ्लावर्स में, लीव्स में या कहीं भी सरफेस में आप देखेंगे कुछ कुछ बूंदें होती हैं पानी की, तो दैट इज नोन एज ड्यू. ओके, दोज टाइनी ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर आर फॉर्म्ड ऑन लीव्स, फ्लावर्स, यू कैन से पॉट्स, है ना, इन द ओपन सरफेस व्हेन इट इज केप्ट ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. सो आप सुबह उठेंगे, यू कैन सी द ड्यू, दैट इज टाइनी ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर. शी स्प्रिंग्स, बेटा स्प्रिंग इज अ सीजन. सो स्प्रिंग सीजन में जैसे फ्लावर्स ब्लूम करते हैं ना, ग्रो करते हैं, तो इसी तरह इस पोएम में स्प्रिंग का मीनिंग है राइज करना. ऑल राइट, सो स्प्रिंग्स लाइक अ बीम ऑन द ब्रो ऑफ द टाइड. सबकी मीनिंग बेटा दी गई है आपको नीचे न्यू वर्ड्स में. शी फॉल्स लाइक अ टीयर. टीयर मीन्स आंसू. बेटा टीयर मतलब होता है आंसू. जब आप रोते हैं तो आंसू बहते हैं ना, तो टीयर. शी फॉल्स लाइक अ टीयर फ्रॉम द आईज ऑफ अ ब्राइड. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So children, next in the green box, about the poet. Poet बेटा मेल को कहते हैं और poetess बोलते हैं फीमेल को. ओके, so this poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. All right, so Sarojini Naidu, यहाँ पे जो आपको ब्रैकेट में 2 ईयर दे रखे हैं ना, ये देखिए दिया ना, 1879 ईयर एंड 1949 ईयर. तो इसका इस ईयर का मतलब होता है व्हेन सरोजनी नायडू वाज बोर्न. सो दिस ईयर शी वाज बोर्न एंड इन दिस ईयर शी डाइड. ऑल राइट, सो शी लिव्ड from 1879 to 1949 year. Okay, so Sarojini Naidu was a Bengali poet who was also known as the Nightingale of India. She has written many children's poems and was an important figure in India's fight for independence from the British colonial rule. So when Britishers captured our country 200 years ago, then Sarojini Naidu played a major role. Figure means important. Figure मतलब होता है बेटा important person. All right, important person. Figure means important person. So Sarojini Naidu, during the Britishers when they captured our country, Sarojini Naidu played an important role in India's freedom fighting. All right, so this was about our poetess Sarojini Naidu. So I am going to just explain the summary of the poem once again. So children, this poem is written by Sarojini Naidu, as you all know, and it has been recited in the voice of bearers. यानी bearers जो carry कर रहे हैं palanquin, वो गाना गा रहे हैं. तो जो हमारी poetess है, उन्होंने जो bearers हैं, palanquin bearers हैं, उनकी voice यानी उनके थ्रू ये सॉन्ग कह सकते हैं या फिर पोम कह सकते हैं, ये ब्राइड के लिए गाया है. राइट, सो दिस पोम इज सो ब्यूटिफुली वोवन अराउंड द कस्टम ऑफ कैरिंग अ ब्राइड इन अ पैलिंक्विन बाय पैलिंक्विन बेयरर्स. सो ये बहुत पहले ज़माने में, जब अर्लियर डेज में, जब प्रिंसेसेस, क्वींस और बहुत पहले आपकी परदादी और परदादा के टाइम्स में जब शादी होती थी, तो जो ब्राइड होती थी उसे हम एक जगह से यानी पेरेंट्स हाउस से उसके न्यू होम में कैसे ले जाते थे? थ्रू पैलिंक्विन. ओके, सो जब पैलिंक्विन ले जा रहे हैं तो बेयरर्स क्या कर रहे हैं? ब्राइड के लिए एक सॉन्ग गा रहे हैं. तो दिस पोम हैज बीन recited in the voice of bearers, that is the person who are carrying the bride. So the palanquin bearers are so happy in carrying the newly wedded bride because they feel proud in carrying the bride. Okay, they feel pride when they are taking the bride to her new house, that is her husband's or in-laws house, and on the way they are singing along in harmony with the movement, and that is how they transform their dull task into one full task of joy, because taking the bride, just moving and moving, it is a long distance of covering, right? So their task of taking can be get boring sometimes. So to remove their boring task, they want to sing a song. So that is why they are singing the song while taking the bride in the palanquin, and they are enjoying and they are feeling pride about that. So children, I hope आपको ये समझ आया हो. So keep revising, and in case you do not understand any line of the poem, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group, and you can continue watching the video many times as you can, so that the concept of the poem and each and every line, the meaning of each and every line of the poem is clear to you, and you are by heart learned the poem, right? So children, thank you so much and have a nice day.